This is Tam Giang Lagoon. This is the whole Tam Giang Lagoon. We took this photo from the map. This is the Laguna Rio. It's surrounded by sand, rocks, or reef. It has gates to the sea. It takes water from the sea and river also. Therefore, the water in here is less salty than the water from the sea.